when you get some food, you just become happy. You start doing a happy dance, right?
Tequila shots for everybody.
Hey you guys, don't mind the face, but good morning. Good morning. Oh my god, I just put some primer on my face. Okay, I was about to film a video, but I said let me start recording as a vlog, you know. All this white stuff is just primer that I just put on my face. I have been using extra products lately and I've been loving it. I'm just opening the blinds so we could get some good footage. We are still at the Airbnb. It is the next day. I can see the next house behind me. Yeah, I'm really brown. I was just looking extra white because the lighting was just a little bit bright. I think right here should be fine. I'm not doing nothing crazy. Just want to talk to you guys and check up on you guys. I am in Florida right now, Florida, Miami. We are about to go to Bacon Bitch. Yes, we are, where they speak to you rudely and they talk to you however they want. So y'all gonna be hearing some music in the background. I'm just gonna lay out my makeup. So far, the reason why my face have all these white stuff is because I am using a Smashbox primer. It's not trying to focus. This is the Photo Finish Minimize Pores primer. And it's lit. Anyways, I'm just gonna lay everything out. You guys, I've been using some new products and all my products is like e.l.f. products. Like I got the new e.l.f. mascara. Everything is e.l.f. I don't know what it is about e.l.f. lately. It's just been giving, okay? It really been giving. And I got some e.l.f. lip gloss. I also got this. e.l.f. just came out with the mint collection. This is the No Budge Eyeshadow Mint Melt collection. This is in the color Ice Cream, I believe. Yeah, Ice Cream. And I saw this girl, Princess Reese, on YouTube use it. And I was just like, girl, she only used it in her inner corner. It's like, this is so convenient. You can use it as a highlighter. Everything is by e.l.f. So just watch me do my makeup. Oh, I forgot the mirror, y'all. I'll be right back. Your girl needs to work out because some stairs ain't it.
I think I'm crazy. Way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight?
I'm adding this e.l.f. Poreless Pudding Primer. I'm new to this, so I'm testing it out. This is like my 3rd day using it because, like I said, e.l.f. just been my go-to makeup lately. And it's been doing the job, I'm not gonna lie, because we wear masks and you have to protect your face at the end of the day. And this is for your pores. My pores been opening up lately, so yeah. This is why. This is crazy. I've never looked this red, and it's only because I'm in a little bit more sun. Why do I look so red? Oh, and this is my color. Coconut. I always use this color. What is going on? My battery is definitely dying, but I did want to come on here and say, oh my god, the music is so loud, y'all. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I did want to come on here and say, why do beauty blenders eat up all your product. Like, it just eats up all of my product. What am I doing wrong, guys? Like, it's getting me uptight. Every time I do my makeup, my beauty blender is just eating up all of the product, and then I start to see my blemishes marks. I don't like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go I feel like I'm screaming, but I'm going to go charge my battery for my camera, and then I'm gonna keep up with you guys because I need it for later anyway. So yeah, let me go do that, and I'll catch up with you guys later when I get to Bacon Bitch. Oh, right here the lighting is way better. Whatever. Oh my god, you guys, so I just put on some deodorant, and like, look at the mess. Oh, I can't deal. I don't got my wig on. But why would the deodorant do this to me? I was coming so I can show you guys what I'm wearing. It's cricket, but once again, don't mind the music upstairs. I had this dress for years, guys, years. I can't even remember where I bought it. I think it was like a little boutique store. I just plugged up my hot comb, and I was gonna use the bathroom, but I like the lighting out here better. Yeah, I like the lighting over here better. So I'm gonna put on my wig. I look so crazy. I look like a crazy person right now, but it's fine. I have hair, okay? I have some hair under here, so don't worry. Anyways, I like to glue my hair with this Got to Be glue. Samara, you think you gonna close the door?
Close what door?
Whatever the music is coming from.
Huh?
The music. Just push the door wherever the music is coming from.
What are you doing?
I'm just recording.
Oh.
What else would I be doing, girl? Oh, I got it all on my face. I'm just a hot mess. But yeah. But yeah, this goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way, y'all. Got to Be glue be doing their thing. Go get you this. You don't need Gold Spawn. You don't need none of that. You need 3 layers of this, even 2. This is the height and the hold. It holds all day. It's just everything. Like, I've been using it for a while now because I saw Aaliyah Face uses it, and it's just everything. It just be giving me what it's supposed to give. And I'm just gonna unbraid my braids, y'all. I look crazy still. Yeah, let me unbraid this. There's a fly in here because the door was open. Oh, anyways, I'm trying to position this. My wigs are never positioned properly, but I also don't want to cut this thing, so I need it to sit like right there where my hairline starts. Let me see. Anyways, I don't want to comb this out too much because I love when I do a braid out. It just be looking so fire, and it be lasting all day. As the day go by, run your fingers through it, but don't comb it out because it will look crazy. It will look like you didn't even do your hair, honestly. I feel like I'm ready. She's ready. She looks good. I did a little white eyeliner theme underneath my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I don't know. I think it's giving a little something, the white eyeliner. Or whatever. Anyways, let's get closer. It is giving what it's supposed to give. I gotta do my baby hairs, of course, and oh, I'm too bright. So I got my hot comb plugged up. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. It's a bit dark in the bathroom, so I'm not gonna take you guys with me. I love doing a braid out on black hair, any colored hair. Braid outs always come out so neat. Yeah, so I'm about to just hot comb the top, make it look very neat. And it looked like I crimped my hair, and I really didn't. And that's what I'm going for. I want to look like it got crimps. But yeah, it goes with the dress. Really cute. Really, really cute. It's giving. Yeah, let me see the bathroom light. Yeah, the bathroom light is really dark, so Guys, I'm gonna just finish getting ready before this hot comb burn the freaking sink. And I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Guys, Bacon Bitch is closed. It's literally right here. The sign says Bacon Bitch right here. I think it's zoomed in. Huh? I thought it says Bacon Bitch. The building we try to go to is closed, so we're gonna go to somewhere else.
When you're smoking a hookah and the filter just like go away.
Go away, yeah.
No, I'm
I need you to focus. Hurry up and focus. So I have important news. Blue martini. And the food is here. I'm gonna sit to the boomerang. I can still save it. Okay, so our food is definitely here.
Spaghetti, fettuccine, shrimp and chicken.
You got shrimp and chicken? Okay.
Fettuccine chicken. Chicken here.
potato and broccoli.
That's what you got?
You can't add another table.
Spaghetti shrimp.
Thank you.
Ooh, the shrimp look good.
Thank you.
You guys, when you get some food, you just become happy. You start doing a happy dance. Y'all saw her, you're like, that's when you get some food. And you didn't eat all day. Like, we haven't even had water because we didn't go shopping for our house yet. By the way, this girl never passes the hookah.
Oh my God.
I just remember I was waiting for the hookah. Anyways, let's just eat because at this point. We're gonna all hold hands.
Yeah, I think y'all see what happened.
Alright, thank you guys for bringing us here to Miami together, and thank you guys for giving us such food, and just say my prayer, amen. That's all.
Yeah, everybody should have did a prayer.
Amen.
He was Come on, you feel like what I said was good.
Oh God, we just prayed, you guys.
No, we're good. Don't start your
We just
stuff.
prayed. God is good.
So Jennifer, like, you don't think what I said was good? What happened? My prayer wasn't good enough? This is hitting. This is good. Change it for pasta. But it might take some time.
We'll get some shopping. the nails for me.
Everybody pull out the cards.
Come through.
Tell us when to go. Ready, set, go. Pull it out. Okay, y'all did it. Alright. Can I want one for my boomerang? Everybody just pull out their cards.
Okay.
He put a little secret.
Ready, set, go now.
Oh, no, I don't like it.
This is what we go through, but it is what it is. I'll do the same thing.
No, one more time, please. Come on, please.
Alright,
Yeah,
can I see
You
you?
gotta go like this.
Oh yeah, salute.
Salute. We are playing Truth or Dare, and she about to go ask. TikTok always interrupting. Anyway, she's about to ask, is this man, oh, you spit on me, girl. Is this man right here Caesar? Is he Caesar? Oh my God, I'm scared. She's over there. She want to take a picture with him. She left her phone. She's supposed to go like, are you Caesar? Can I see? What if this man is her
Yo, the big lady looking at her like, bitch. If
oh
you
my
don't
God, that's her boyfriend.
Yo, he is tight.
Wait, that's not him?
That's not him? No, it's not him.
Oh, he's tight though. He's tight.
No, at first he was
That's
like,
not him?
he was like, I'm taking. I was like, no, are you seeing black ink? And he was like, no. I don't want you.
Yeah, he thought he wanted him. Oh my God, they did.
So where are you listening? He just did it there.
Yeah.
I'm like, look at Caesar over there.
Over there.
He was like, I'm taking. I was like, no, are you seeing black ink?
I know, but like,
But we was pranking. And he over there laughing.
next prank coming out.
Next time.
The book bag and be like,
Sit on my shoulder. You sit on my shoulder, bro. What's the there? What's the there?
I had to ask the guy right there with the book bag, are you single? Are you single? Yeah, that's it.
I was found.
Are you single?
Self beaches too much.
Don't matter, baby.
Fuck these hoes. Fuck these niggas.
No, do the YouTube
Are you guys
thing.
gonna say the dogs for me? It's a dog. What? Ooh.
Like she's free.
Tomorrow, that's why. Y'all all single?
I'm not.
Oh, you trying to curve me?
No, I'm not.
You gonna curve her?
I'm not trying to curve.
I'm not single either.
Quit.
Alright, the next.
Oh my God.
The next.
Now they tell
who's
me.
next?
Sorry. Wait.
Oh my God, I have a chihuahua too.
I said a chihuahua.
Oh shit, you're
Are you selling that?